Hello, my name is Alan Michael, and I'm a technician here at Air Essentials. Today we're going to go over how to set up and program your brand new AE1100. We have one AE1100. Inside of it comes a 200 ml bottle, one 12-volt power supply, 2 feet of clear tubing, one safety cap, one cap, product manual. We call this a push to connect, 2 screws, and 2 drywall anchors. Here we have our AE1100. On the side of it, we'll find the open button. We'll press it, the top of it will open, slide up. Inside we'll find a 200 ml bottle connected to what we call the atomizer. On the other side is where we connect our 12-volt power supply along with the on-off switch. Here is the 12-volt power supply. Now we're going to program our AE1100 with the current time and date. Keep in mind, these machines come with military time. We're going to go ahead and program our machine to January 11th, 2018, 10:35 a.m. First, we got to take the machine out of sleep mode. On the screen, you'll see the days of the week on top, the hour, the date, and the concentration level right above the date. So to change the current time, you want to tap the up arrow and right arrow at the same time. If done correctly, the hour of the current time will start to blink. Like so. Using the right arrow, you can move along from the hour to the minute to the date itself. Using the up arrow, you can change the hours, the minutes, and the date. There we go. We have our machine programmed to the current time and date. To save the settings, press the ENT button. Now we're going to program our AE1100 with different hours of operation on different days. For this example, we're going to program the machine Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Saturday from 12 to 7 p.m., and Sunday we'll program it closed. Let's start by programming the machine Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., which 5 p.m. in military time is 1700. Let's take it out of sleep mode by hitting the enter button. I'm gonna hit the enter button once, we'll get Monday to start blinking. A second time, we'll get the start time to blink. It's already programmed at 9 a.m., so nothing has to be changed. With the right arrow, we're gonna move over to the minutes. If we hit it again, we'll get over to the stop time. We already have it programmed at 1700, which is 5 p.m. So this machine is already programmed for 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. You hit the enter button, you save the settings. Now we'll start with Saturday. We'll go ahead and program it from 12 p.m. to 7 p.m., which in military time is 1900. So we'll hit the enter button. Move with the right arrow from Monday to Saturday. We'll hit the enter button. And we'll go ahead and change the start time to 12. And move over with the right arrow to the minutes. One more time, we get down to the stop time. We change it from 1700 to 1900. So that way we have it programmed from 12 p.m. to 7 p.m. on Saturday. We hit the enter button to save it. Now let's go ahead and do Sunday. Sunday's business hours is closed. In this case, what you want to do is program the machine to the same time What we want to do is program this machine with the same on and off time. So now let's go ahead and program Sunday. We hit the enter button, move along the right arrow to Sunday. Sunday's business hours are closed. In order to do that, you want to program the machine to the same time. What that means is the start time and the stop time have to be the exact same. So we're going to leave the start time at 9 a.m. and we're just going to program the stop time to 9 a.m. What's going to happen is the machine will assume not to turn on Sunday. We hit the enter button to save it. And on the display, we'll notice that Sunday is no longer one of the options. Alright, now we're going to program the concentration levels. The concentration levels are how many seconds the aroma is being diffused and how many seconds it takes a break during the hours of operations that were previously programmed. For this example, we're going to go ahead and program the concentration levels to 60 seconds on and 90 seconds off. Tap both back and enter at the same time. You'll see two rows of numbers. The top represents the missed on time and the bottom represents the missed off time. To the right, you'll see a number between 1 and 9 blinking that has standard settings, which you can find on page 8 of your product manual. Now we're going to program the custom settings to one of the 9 standard settings. For this example, we are customizing standard setting number 1. Tap both the back and enter button at the same time and you'll notice two rows of numbers. The top represents the missed on time and the bottom represents the missed off time. We're already on custom setting 1. So with the right arrow, we want to move over until we have the second digit of the missed time on blinking. We'll go ahead and change it to a 6, making it 60 seconds that it'll missed on for. With the right arrow, we want to move over to the first digit of the missed off time. Go ahead and change that from a 3 to a 0. So with the up arrow, we'll go around till we get it to 0. Use the right arrow to move over to the second space. We're going to change the 0 to a 9 using the up arrow, which will then have it at a custom setting of 60 seconds on and 90 seconds off. When you're done, hit the enter button to save your settings. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful for you. We've gone over some of the details from how to program the current time, current date, how to set hours of operations, how to change custom concentration levels for your new AE1100. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, and like us on Facebook for updates on our products.